Good day everyone! For today's video guys, we will make one of our favorite kimchi, the kimchi radish. Guys, this is all our ingredients. Okay guys, 3 pieces of white radish guys, Korean radish, white onion guys, pears, carrot guys, spring onion, garlic, ginger, gochugaru guys, glutinous rice guys, Gochu Jang, and Thai fish sauce guys. Okay guys, this is all our ingredients. Okay guys, let's stop and prepare all our ingredients. I-chop natin ang ating white radish into cubes guys. Let's go! Okay guys, next our carrots guys. Let's chop. Okay guys, next our pears. Next guys, our ginger. Next guys, our garlic. Next guys, our white onion. Next in the last guys, our spring onion guys. Okay guys, our spring onion. Our spring onion guys. Okay guys, i-chop na natin natin prepare ang ating mga ingredients guys. Ayan. Sunod natin gagawin guys ang ating kimchi sauce. Okay guys, atin ang i-blender ang ating pears at ang ating aromatic, ang white onion, garlic, and ginger guys. Okay guys, simulan natin ang i-blender. Ayan guys, ang ating pears, ang ating white onion guys. Ayan guys, ang ating onion, ang ating garlic guys, ang ating garlic, ating ginger guys. Okay guys, ating i-blender. Okay guys, katapos na natin i-blender ang ating pears at ang ating mga aromatic guys. Ayan guys, ha? Okay guys, atin ang lulutuin ang ating glutinous rice. Ayan guys, kumukulo na ang ating glutinous rice guys. Ayan, ayan natin. Atin siyang haluin guys, hanggang sa maging paste. Ayan guys, halo-halo lang guys. Okay guys, luto na ang ating glutinous rice guys. Ayan, paste na siya guys. Okay guys, ilalagay natin ang ating gochugaru. Ayan guys, ang ating gochugaru. Gochugaru flakes. Ayan guys. At ang ating pears guys, at aromatic. Ayan guys. Yan guys, i-mix na natin. Meron na tayong kimchi sauce guys. Okay guys, i-mix natin ang ating lahat ng ingredients guys. Ang ating carrots guys. Yan guys, ang ating carrots. Spring onion guys, yan, spring onion. Ang ating kimchi sauce guys, yan. Ang ating kimchi sauce. Yan guys. Ang ating kimchi sauce. Guys, ang ating Thai fish sauce. Yan guys, Thai fish sauce. Gochugaru guys. Yan guys, Gochugaru. Oh guys, let's mix with it. Kimchi Radish. Okay guys, our Kimchi Radish is done. Okay guys, atin siyang ita-transfer sa ating rapon guys. Yan guys, transfer na natin siya. Again guys, thank you very much to all of you for watching my vlogging videos guys. Please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button. Again guys, thank you very much. God bless you all. Good day everyone.